Welcome to Enoven Foods. Today I'm sharing a rich, peppery, and restaurant style pepper chicken or chicken Kali Mirch that is creamy, aromatic, and full of bold black pepper flavor. Take 500 grams chicken pieces and make light cut marks. Add 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 2 teaspoon curd, and 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. Mix well and marinate for 30 minutes. Heat 2 tablespoons oil in a pan. And fry the chicken on medium heat just to get a nice color. Always fry the chicken lightly before making the gravy. Use freshly crushed pepper for deeper aroma. Remove from the heat and keep aside. Now in a pan add 2 tablespoons oil, 1 cinnamon stick, 2 cardamom, 2 cloves, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon crushed green chili. Saute for 30 seconds. Then add 3 tablespoons onion and cook until softened. Now add 2 tablespoons beaten curd. Cook on low heat after adding curd to avoid splitting. Now add the chicken pieces. Add half teaspoon salt and half teaspoon pepper powder. Mix well. Black pepper helps boost digestion. Chicken provides high quality lean protein. Cover and cook for 12 to 15 minutes. This dish uses fewer spices, making it lighter on the stomach. Best paired with roti or plain rice for a balanced meal. Add 1 tablespoon fresh cream and cook for 1 minute. Add cream at the end for a silky finish. Kali Mirch dishes are popular in Mughlai cuisine. Pepper enhances the natural flavor of chicken without heavy spices. Creamy pepper gravies are loved for their smooth heat. Your creamy, bold and flavorful chicken Kali Mirch is ready, perfect for lunch, dinner or special family meals. Should I make chicken tandoori or butter chicken next? Like the video, follow the pages and subscribe my channel for more easy restaurant style chicken recipes.